Here comes some kind of gnarly helicopter. So they're flying it in the clouds. It's crossing over my roof. How about that? Isn't that ridiculous? So that's not the largest heavy copter. That's something tuned to be heavier. It's like a medium-sized copter tuned to be heavy. Alright, so it just flew across my roof, right out there from the park and then down the street. So it's possibly some kind of police helicopter, maybe the large white and blue, to cover up for the fake split off line that crosses over my house that originated at line 11 at night when they let me out for the spotlight. Or it was a large military helicopter covering up for the one that they sent out at 6:45 this morning and having it return across my roof to cover up for the Blackhawks and for the military copter route and the turn behind 24191. Or it was possibly even a firecopter cover up, but it didn't sound like the large heaviness and weight. It sounded like it was tuned to be more aggressive. So it must have been a medium-sized helicopter.